Okay, dear.
Oh,
So today we are going to make practice on identify equivalent expression involving exponent. Okay.
okay.
So instruction is that simplify each expression and identify if they are equivalent. Show all your step and explain your reasoning. So in this case, we you check that in question number one, 3 raised to the power 5. Good.
Oh, was that right?
3 raised to the power 2 times 3 raised to the power 3. No, actually you did mistake here. Let me simplify.
Really?
You are right, but here you check that 3, the basis is same, and 8, this is left hand side,
Mm-hmm.
this is right hand side. Now
Oh,
to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So you check that, can I write?
oh, it is equal. Yeah, 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3, yeah, 3,
Good.
3 to the power of 5 is equal to 3 to the power of 5. Yes, it's equal.
Now we add the powers, good, which is equal to
It's equal. Wait, my handwriting.
equivalent. Good. And simple. And second case, which step define this left hand side is equal to right hand side in question number 2?
Uh,
Can you write it?
multiplication times 2 equals 2 to the power
Good.
of 8.
Why? You multiply 4 times 2.
Because the parentheses, the sign means multiplication.
Good. This is whole 2 raised to the power 4 whole square. It means that we multiply powers.
Mm-hmm. Equal.
Equivalent. Why it's equivalent? Can you explain it?
Well, because since the wait, what do you call this? The base is equal.
Yes, the
The
base.
exponents, you just have to subtract or add the exponents. It depends which operation comes on first, and then you would just if it's if there's a negative sign, then you subtract, or if it's a positive sign, then if there's nothing, then you'd add. So
Good.
there was a negative sign here, and then that would get you your answer.
Excellent. Super. And this one?
Fourth of powers.
Question number 4.
Wait. Not equal.
It's equal. How we prove it? You check that, dear. Here can instead of 4 over 6 divided by 4 square, can I write 4 over 6 over 4 over 2? Can I write just like this?
Yes.
Because you know, over means that division.
Oh, that would go 4 to the power of 6 minus 2. Yes, it's equal.
Good, excellent. Just tell me why you write negative 2 here.
Well, because the denominator of the exponent always has to be negative when you're putting them together. I think.
Good. When we just switch
Yeah,
denominator to numerator,
reciprocal. Yeah, that's
good, we take reciprocal of it. Excellent. Can you do this one?
6 3 plus 2 equals 6.
Excellent. Can you explain it? Question number 5.
Well, it's just easy. Since the base are the same, you just put one of them, and then you just add both of the exponents, which would get your answer. Same thing for over here, but this time the operation is multiplication.
Good. Super. And also explain question number 6, how you simplify it.
Basically what I did last time, but this time with multiplication.
Good.
7, the base is equal. So, but you would just multiply the two exponents because of the parentheses signs are in the middle.
Good. Can you make practice on question number 7? Good. Good.